Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the stand and get it installed on your BenQ 27-inch monitor. Specifically, this is the model number GW2790T. If you're interested in this monitor or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the stand parts and pieces. This is a tool-free installation. So the base plate right here, you can pop that up and we don't even need to get a Phillips head screwdriver. The two pieces are formed to fit on top of each other just like so, and they'll drop right in. So line it up as you see right here, just like that. Then we'll flip it around on our tabletop here and we'll fasten everything in place, just finger tight, nice and snug, like that. Fold that flush, and there we go. Both pieces of the stand are now installed. There's not going to be any wiggle or movement or anything like that, and it's very heavy duty. This is a solid base. It's not cheap. So plastic cover, but metal construction. Now for the rest of the installation, we have to attach it to the monitor. So looking at the back of your monitor, we have this arrow icon here and two slots up at the top that are going to match the two tabs on the back of our stand right there. So we're just going to line it up and in place, tip it down a little bit, and then it'll snap right in, just like so. It'll click right in, and now we're free to actually lift everything up together. It's that simple. We now have the stand installed. With the stand installed, I wanted to show you really quickly the stand functionality. So this is the lowest height setting. This is the maximum height setting, or you could settle somewhere in between. We also have the option to rotate our viewing experience. If you want to use a vertical or portrait screen, you can do that with this monitor. And we have tilt. There's our max tilt down. Here's our max tilt back. Maybe you can see that better from the side. Tilt down, tilt back. And we actually have the option to rotate this and swivel it side to side. So we got a good swivel there as well. So a very versatile and functional stand.